a small fish lived. In a deep blue sea she was very tiny, but her heart was full of courage. Big fish often ignored her and thought she was weak. She still helped others quietly. One day, the sea became dark and dirty, and fear spread everywhere. The big fish panicked and did not know where to go. The small fish stayed calm. She remembered a narrow path of clean water hidden between rocks, a place only she could pass through. She swam ahead slowly and looked back to guide everyone. Her bravery gave strength to others. One by one, the big fish followed her. Through the tight path they finally reached clear water where the sea
Ready
felt
to
fresh.
explore? Let's
Again,
go.
everyone felt safe
This
and
way, friends.
thankful. They looked at the small fish with respect and understood that true strength comes from courage, not size. And when someone believes in themselves, they can lead others from fear to light. This is how even a small heart
Ready to
can
explore?
carry big
Let's
hope
go.
and teach the world
This way,
that
friends.
never giving up can change everything, and that hope always finds a way even in the darkest water.